How to change Monopoly Go Facebook account. Now let's get started. Launch your Monopoly Go app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. At the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now head towards the option of settings. Click on the option of connect account. Different options will appear. You have to click on this very first option, disconnect. Are you sure? Disconnecting will prevent you from playing with your friends. Tap on disconnect. With that, you have just disconnected Monopoly Go from your Facebook account. Now close this app and open your Facebook app. Go to the menu page. Scroll down, you will see the option of settings and privacy. Click on it and head towards the option of settings. Now over here, you're gonna find different sections. Under your activity, you can find the option of apps and websites. Open this option. Over here, you will find the apps and websites connected to your Facebook. Tap on the option Monopoly Go. Over here, you will find your email address. Click on the option of remove. Tap on remove again. Now click on this option of remove. Remove logged in with Facebook connection. At the bottom, you will see option of remove. Tap on it. And with that, you have just disconnected your Facebook account from Monopoly Go. Now you can open Monopoly Go account and connect to another Facebook. Click on 3 bars given at the top right. Head towards the option of connect. And with that, you are able to connect new Facebook account to your Monopoly Go account. This is how you can change Monopoly Go Facebook account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.